Hey guys, so my name is Ibuka Arinze and welcome to my studio. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install an Ignition Decals read-only skin on a laptop. It's simple, easy, smart, fast and amazing. So enjoy the ride and let's have some fun. So this is a Sasuke team anime skin. So I'm a big anime fan and Sasuke is one of my favorite characters from the Naruto series. So we're going to be using him to wrap my laptop today. So this is what I got. So this is how it comes. It just comes with the skin. And inside the packaging, you have obviously the skin that I paid for, which is read only. Then we also have the installation blade. So these are like basically two things you need, but we'll talk about what else you need. There are two other things that you could use for your installation that makes it a little bit closer to perfection. That's the napkin. So the napkin will help you reduce air bubbles, and you have a ruler for some level of precision. So let's get started and see what we can create together. Yeah, so the first step is basically cleaning your laptop surface. So you don't want dirt to be between the surface of the laptop and the under of the skin. So you have to like really clean it. Using my napkin, like I said, to clean it. So just get that perfect smooth finish and remove every residue from it. So if your laptop has like a dent or a specific dirt, you can find like something to help get it off. But aside that, you can just use a rag or a napkin. So the next step is to place our skin. So a lot of people make the mistake of placing it wrongly. Yeah. So so this is my skin, and the most important character is Sasuke. So I have to ensure that Sasuke is at the middle of the event, obviously the middle of the laptop. You get what I mean? So and also you have to be conscious of how your laptop stands. So if you take a look at my laptop, it stands like this. Yeah. So I have to ensure that I place the skin this way. So that once I open my laptop anywhere, everybody sees the beautiful Sasuke standing like this and not like this. Wouldn't that be weird? So this is how we're gonna be placing it. So also, we're gonna be working with this. So if you notice that from your laptop skin, you see that it's way bigger than the size of the laptop. That was intentional. The goal of that is to give you enough space to work with so that when you're making your trims, your trimming, it won't affect what you're trying to achieve. Yeah, so this is what we have. So I'm going to take note of the edges. So if you are vigilant or okay, you could just use like a pen to like mark the points. So you see me marking this point here. Point here. Marking the points here. Marking a point here. They're marking a point here. So basically, I know where the skin ends here. I know where the skin ends here. I know where the skin ends here. And I know where the skin ends here. So I'm just going to be drawing a straight line. So let's get rid of this laptop for a moment and focus on the skins. So given the blade, this is how it looks like. So you can really use it to work. It's really easy to open. Just open it partially so that you do not expose all the part. You could tear it. So good. So now you are left with well protected handle and the tip of the blade. It's really sharp, so be careful. So we're going to take our ruler and cut point to point. It's that easy. Blade is really sharp, so you could get it off easily. Right? Good. So we're going to take from this other edge. Try and have like a very long rule so that you don't have to like cut and break. Okay. Yeah. You can just pin it off. Like I said, the four corners. This is what you use your ruler for, cutting. Then the last part should be. Okay. Yeah. So now we're done with the cutting step. Get our laptop back on the table. Remember, I'm positioning it in the way the laptop stands. Yeah, the way the laptop stands. You get it. Alright, so we're going to be placing from the end to the end. So the first step is to make, like, let's open just a short layer of the skin. So this is what I have, just a short layer of skin. Then I'm going to place it. So we already pre-trimmed this stuff. So once you're placing, you have to be sure that once it is placed in such a way, once it's placed, after placing it, you have to be sure that the other edges are fine. So if it's placed like this, how would the other edges look like? It's really easy for you to determine that. You see that if I place it like that, I'm going to have like, and this is not something we want. Do you get? So we have to like reposition. So to help you reposition, you can also open this side and let's see how it goes. Just did place. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this looks better. We have this edge aligned. We have this edge aligned, right? And we see that it gets to a good point here. So we're going to make use of this rag. The purpose of this rag is to reduce the air bubble in the skin. So the air bubble basically is when you like place it, you see like bumps. So this will help you reduce it. So what you do is, as you release the back, you use this to apply it. Top to down, 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 top to down. Okay, top to down, top to down, top to down. So this way you're not going to have problems with air bubbles. So see, it's gradually, 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 gradually. So you notice that some of the edges are protruding. So what you could do is making use of your blade to like trim out the edge that it's excess. So trim out the edge that's excess. Trim out the edge that's excess. Try not to be too deep so that you don't scratch the laptop. Trim out the edge that's excess. Trim out the edge that's excess. Okay. So use this to fine tune your edges so that there's no issue. So I'm done. So we have my Sasuke themed laptop skin placed on my laptop, and it looks beautiful. So this looks 10 times better than just having a plain black design on it, and I'm sure you agree. So check it out. So you can easily do this yourself, and just by following the procedures I suggested. So yeah, it's a wrap here. Thanks guys for patronizing Illusion Decals, and I hope you have fun placing your skin on your laptop. Thanks.